Hello Banda, I'm fine, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks. So, Ridwan, speaking of technology, how long do you think you can go without checking your phone?
I can unplug it from my cell phone because every time I do something, it's related to phones.
If you left the house and you had forgotten your phone, would you feel something really missing?
Yeah, something is missing. I would be restless if there was no phone.
How long do you think you could go without using the internet?
I took 8 hours because when I was sleeping, the internet was not turned on, so I would be disturbed by cell phone notification.